Is your small business making money or just keeping you busy? What if you could increase your small business profit without working more hours? The truth is, most small business owners are leaving money on the table every single day. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to transform your small business from just surviving to seriously thriving. We'll dive into 7 proven profit-boosting strategies: mastering your financial numbers, crafting smarter pricing, eliminating wasteful expenses, identifying your most valuable customers, maximizing team productivity, and investing strategically in growth. Whether you're running a retail store, service business, or online shop, these techniques work for businesses of any size and industry. Let's get started. Step 1. Know your numbers. One of the main reasons small business owners struggle is they simply don't have clear visibility of their numbers. I can't tell you how many business owners I've met who work incredibly hard but have no idea if they're actually making money or not until tax time rolls around. Look, you can't manage profit if you don't measure it. It's like trying to lose weight without ever stepping on a scale. You need feedback to know if what you're doing is working. Start by using cloud-based accounting software like Xero or QuickBooks. These tools make it incredibly easy to track your income, expenses, and overall profitability. You don't need to be a financial genius to use them. They're designed for small business owners just like you. Then make it a habit to process your transactions and regularly review 3 critical reports: your profit and loss statement, your cash flow, and your balance sheet. These give you the complete picture of your business health. You also want to set specific KPIs, key performance indicators, things like your gross margin percentage, customer acquisition cost, and net profit. These numbers tell the real story of your business. If looking at financial reports makes your eyes glaze over, don't worry, that's normal. By spending some time learning will make the task a lot easier. I'll get to that in a minute. I have an easy way to learn everything that you need to know. And also consider working with an accountant who can help interpret these numbers and identify opportunities to save money and improve efficiency. But a great relationship with an accountant should add to, not replace, your own knowledge. In my experience, the best performing businesses are owned by people who have educated themselves on business management, and most of them do not have a business degree. Step 2. Improve your cash flow. Now let's talk specifically about improving cash flow, since that's a major pain point for many small businesses. Try implementing these 4 tactics. First, invoice immediately after delivering products or services. Don't wait until month end. Second, if your terms are 14 days, change them to 7 days or immediately on the completion of the job. Third, offer small discounts for early payment, like 2% off if paid within 7 days. And fourth, require deposits for large orders or projects. An electrician that I worked with doubled his cash reserves in just 3 months using these simple changes. Step 3. Improve your pricing strategy. Here's an uncomfortable truth. Most small business owners don't charge enough. Seriously, I see this constantly. They're leaving money on the table because they're afraid of losing customers. Ask yourself honestly, are you charging what your products or services are truly worth, or are you pricing based on what you think people will pay? Start by doing some market research. What are your competitors charging? But don't just match their prices. Understand what makes your offering unique. When you set prices, factor in all your costs, operational expenses, labor costs, and most importantly, your desired profit margin. Lots of small business owners forget to include things like their own time or overhead costs when calculating prices. Here's a tip that can transform your business. Annual small price increases can have a massive impact on your bottom line. A 5% price increase often translates directly to your profit line because your costs don't change, and most customers won't even notice such a small increase. Set a reminder in your phone every January or July to revise your pricing. A modest CPI increase every year can be a game changer. Step 4. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Cutting costs doesn't mean becoming cheap or sacrificing quality. It's about eliminating waste and inefficiencies that are silently eating away at your profits. Start by reviewing all your subscriptions and software. It's amazing how many small businesses are paying monthly for tools they rarely use. Cancel anything that isn't essential, has duplicate features, or find cheaper alternatives that do the same job. Next, negotiate with your major suppliers. Many business owners just accept the first price they're given, ask for bulk discounts, explore alternative vendors, or see if you can get better payment terms. Just having these conversations can save you thousands. Automate to save on wage expenses. Look for ways to automate repetitive tasks. Tools like Zapier or HubSpot can handle manual processes that eat up your time or require additional staff. In a small business, time literally is money. Let me put this in perspective. If you can save just $500 per month on unnecessary expenses, that's an extra $6,000 in profit per year. That's money that goes straight to your bottom line without having to work any harder or sell any more. Step 5. Focus on high-profit customers and services. Not all customers or products contribute equally to your profits. This is a game changer for small business profitability when you really get it. Take time to analyze which customers generate the most revenue and have the lowest cost to serve. These are your gold star clients, and you should be doing everything possible to keep them happy and find more like them. Consider eliminating or substantially raising prices on low-margin products or services that drain your resources. They might be generating revenue, but if they're not producing adequate profit, they're actually holding your business back. Look for opportunities to upsell and cross-sell to your existing high-value customers. It's much easier to sell more to current happy clients than to find new ones. Here's a key insight many small business owners miss. In some industries, 80% of your revenue comes from just 20% of your clients. Once you identify this 20%, you can prioritize them and structure your business around serving them better. Step 6. Improve productivity and team efficiency. A productive team directly impacts your bottom line. In a small business, having efficient employees is absolutely critical to profitability. Start by setting clear goals and performance incentives. When your team knows exactly what's expected and is rewarded for achieving it, productivity naturally increases. Use project management tools like Asana, Trello, or ClickUp to improve workflow and communication. These tools eliminate confusion and help ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Invest time in training your employees on best practices to increase output without overworking. Well-trained staff make fewer mistakes and work more efficiently. Different businesses need different approaches here. For retail small businesses, cross-training employees to handle multiple roles can maximize coverage without increasing headcount. For service businesses, implementing standardized processes can reduce time per client. And for manufacturing businesses, organizing workstations to minimize movement can boost production significantly. Here's a fascinating fact. Studies consistently show that engaged employees are 21% more productive than disengaged ones. That translates directly to increased profits for your small business. Creating a positive work environment isn't just nice, it's profitable. Step 7. Invest in business growth and education. Profitability isn't just about cutting costs. It's also about investing in smart growth strategies that expand your small business in sustainable ways. Develop a referral program to encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Happy customers who bring you new business are the most cost-effective way to grow. Use digital marketing, SEO, and social media to attract more customers without breaking the bank. These channels let small businesses compete with much larger competitors on a relatively even playing field. Perhaps most importantly, continue your education through the right business coaching or improvement programs. The business landscape is constantly changing, and staying ahead of competitors requires ongoing learning. Remember that in a small business, you are the most valuable asset. Investing in your own knowledge and skills often provides the highest return of any investment you can make. Let me share a real-world success story. A small local bakery implemented all 7 of these strategies over just 6 months. They analyzed their numbers and discovered their custom cakes had the highest profit margin. They raised prices on standard items by 10%, cut unnecessary delivery costs, focused marketing on wedding cakes, improved staff training, and invested in better equipment. The result? They doubled their monthly profit from $3,000 to over $6,000 without working any additional hours. This same approach can work for your small business too. If you found these strategies helpful and want to dive deeper into transforming your small business profitability, I've got something that might interest you. We've created a comprehensive small business video course on our website that takes everything we've covered today to the next level. This course is specifically designed to demystify small business management, breaking down complex business concepts into straightforward, actionable steps. We cover everything from advanced financial management and how to read your financial statements, including your profit and loss statement and balance sheet, and how to manage cash flow. What makes this different from other small business resources is that we focus on practical implementation rather than just theory. Hundreds of small business owners have already used these exact strategies to increase their profits while working fewer hours. Head over to our website, the link is in the description, to learn more about how this course could be the turning point for your small business.